Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Living in Bengaluru. My name is Smita and welcome back to another video, the series of meal planning, the monthly meal planning. If you haven't watched my videos of meal planning, I'll put a playlist in the description box below, so please make sure to check it out. I have been doing these monthly meal plans for quite some time now and it's been the best way for me to be consistent. Try it once and see how it works out for you. Make sure that you watch the video till the end to get to know how to do a monthly meal plan. It doesn't actually take much time. It just takes a few minutes, a little more than a few minutes, but yeah, you will be able to do this and stay consistent with your meal plan. So please make sure that you watch the video till the end. Please subscribe to my channel. It helps me a lot in making more videos. If you have been following me and if you've been doing this with me consistently, make sure that you get all your stationeries. So here is my planner, my master meal plan, my sticker books, my stationery, as well as my meal planning printout. Now if you've seen my previous videos, I have been writing my breakfast and my lunch here and snack and the dinner. So coming to the month of April, I had done my meal plan like this. Now going to the month of May, so here is my meal plan for the month of May. I'll do my breakfast and the lunch here, the snack and the dinner recipes here. This is the only way I found it was very consistent, because when I do this weekly meal plans, it doesn't work out with me. Somehow or the other, I just keep missing it. So from the time I have started these monthly meal plans, it helps me so much. So make sure that you watch the video till the end. Wherever I am writing, I will forward the videos so that you can pause the video and finish off your meal planning for every meal. So wherever I am forwarding it, you can make sure that you pause it, finish your writing and then again start playing it. Otherwise my video will prolong for maybe half an hour or so. So firstly, here is my master list of meal plan. I also have a video on how to create your master list of your meal plan. So make sure that you check that out if you haven't made a master list yet. So this is my master list. I check this master list and then I make my meal plan. I've been updating my master list ever since I've made this. So there are a few recipes which I have added, few recipes that I have tried. So make sure that you first do your master list before you start your meal plan. Now if you have been following and seeing all my videos, I have been trying new recipes every Sunday and new recipes from different states of India. I had finished Kerala, I had finished Karnataka. Karnataka I did for 2 months because I wanted to try out a lot of recipes, and I think in the month of March I hadn't tried many, so I thought I will do it for 2 months. Now this month I am planning to keep the theme as Goa. So I want to try a lot of Goan recipes. On Saturdays I will generally finish my leftovers, and on Sundays I do a new recipe from this theme. So the theme for this month, I'm following the Goan recipes. Let me know if you want any other details regarding the meal plan. So shall we start our first breakfast list? So I complete the whole breakfast list for all the 30 days, and once the breakfast list is done, then we move on to the lunch. So that way it becomes very easier to get in more varieties in your breakfast. So for the whole month you will know that there are a lot of varieties in your breakfast, rather than doing it weekly. Every week it can repeat so many times, and when you do it monthly, there are lower chances of repeating the same meal or same breakfast menu for the whole month. So if I see May calendar, May month starts on Sunday, so accordingly here I will write the dates. Now similarly here I will also write the dates here for my snack and the dinner recipes. So now with this I'm done with writing the dates. If you all are using the same planner, you can do the same method. But earlier I used to write everything in this in a small handwriting, but then I got a feedback that all of you cannot see what I'm writing, so that is why I have divided breakfast and lunch here and snack and dinner here. Now starting with the breakfast recipes, my master list has quite a few breakfast recipes, so I will first complete the whole month only with breakfast, so that I get a lot of variety for the whole month. All the stationery that I've been using, I'm using here in this video. I'll put a link in the description box below. I hope this is clear. So I'm done with the breakfast recipe. The next one is the lunch recipe. Now before I go into the lunch recipe, the first thing is, on Saturdays I generally don't write for Saturdays. I complete the leftovers on the Saturdays. So here lunch recipe is the leftovers. So every lunch I use the leftover on Saturdays because I don't want to carry it forward for the next week. Friday afternoon I update my weekly meal plan. Saturday I order my groceries so that I can arrange the groceries, whatever needs to be cleaned, cut, everything I keep it. Whatever prep needs to be done, I finish it on Saturday. So that way for the lunch, if I don't do anything, I get a lot of time to do all the prep work on a Saturday. Now coming to Sunday, Sunday is a day generally we are at home. Sometimes we do miss, we go out, but otherwise most of the times we are at home. So Sunday is the day where I try out new recipes because even my husband is free, so he too helps me for the lunch. So on Sundays I try the new recipe, and for this month I will try all the Goan recipes. Now here, okay, this is May Day, the workers' day, and for lunch I think we are going out here, so I will just write dine out and I will write new recipe. Now this new recipe I decide on a Friday what I'm going to cook on Sunday, and I order the groceries accordingly on Saturday for the new recipe. Next, coming to the next, on from Monday to Friday, the lunch menu. So with this I'm done with the lunch planning for the month of May. So if you have seen, I have tried to include a lot of varieties than I do usually normally on a working day. Since April and May I have got my holidays, I've tried including a lot of recipes, new recipes here. Now with this we finish breakfast and the lunch. The next one is we start with a snack. Now for the snack I will write it down in this book and not in the paper. So with this we have completed the snack menu as well, and now the last part, this one I will put it for the next month, that is for the month of June. So the last part coming to the dinner menu. So we'll finish with the dinner menu quickly and we're done with the meal planning. So we are done with the snack as well as the dinner menu. Now if you see my meal planning, many of my meals have been generic. Like you can see me writing veg 1, veg 2, fish fry, fish curry, and then here for the dinner menu I have written a general like pizza, pasta, noodles. So this is the one that I update every week. So after this generic meal plan is done, what noodles or what pasta I have to make, what flavor I have to make, that I decide that week itself. Vegetable and fish, what I have to make, even that I decide on Saturday when I go for the grocery shopping or I order things online. That is the time when I decide what I want and what I'm going to make for the week. And accordingly, if you have seen my earlier videos where I update my weekly plan on the fridge magnet, that time I will write the actual recipe what I'm going to do, the actual meal what I'm going to make for the week. So I'm done with the monthly meal plan. If you try doing this, maybe for 1 or 2 times you will find it a little difficult, it might take time, but once you get used to it, it'll hardly take around 15 to 20 minutes to finish the whole meal plan for the month. Then your weekly update will become very easier compared to doing it from scratch every week. I have started doing my monthly meal plan so that it helps you out in planning your meal plan accordingly. If you have liked this video, please make sure to click the thumbs up icon below, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please click on the subscribe button below. Thank you so much for being with me and thank you for watching this video. I'll see you again super soon in the next video. Bye bye.